Hello and welcome to Bedtime with Badger. So this, number 3, was one of the beers sent to me by Barry. So what we got? Gadds, Gadds Brewery, and it's a premium pale ale. It's fresh, hoppy, clean and bitter. Sounds good. Another quite pale one. I almost went to put it on my old toolbox there. I've got a table. Very nice. So cheers everyone, and thank you again, Barry. So what's been going on? Well, last Sunday we got the table saw video out because loads of people are interested in this 8-inch cast iron top table saw. Basically the same as the Axminster one or the old Kitty ones. So the audio was bad on that again. I binned that cable and I've got a lav mic, new cable, and hopefully this will be improving my audio. I've been investing in lights and things. It's an expensive business, this making videos. I spend more money on blooming audio and visual stuff than I do on tools. And it's nowhere near as exciting. So the other thing I got was making the legs for the bench up. And a few people in the comments said, what are you going to put under there? You're going to build drawers. And I've got a few drawer units that will just go under there. And another suggestion was, would the planer thicknesser fit under there? And the answer's no. Because the actual top, because it's like a path bench, is that thick. So there's not enough room. But you know when people mention it and then you mull it over, I think, well, hey, it's kind of a good idea. But to get the planer thicknesser, I'd have to have it so low, it would actually you'd have to lean over and hurt your back to use it. But I want to get a mitre saw. So I thought maybe I could incorporate the planer thicknesser into the mitre saw station. So I think tomorrow I'm going to come out here and build a new stand for the planer thicknesser and get it a certain height that it will be able to fit under the mitre saw. So it's great to have two tools taking up exactly the same footprint. That'd be a really efficient use of space. So that's the plan. So whoever commented that, well done. That's a good idea, that is. Just needed a bit more thinking about. So what else have I done? Oh, it's been snowing this week, as it is everywhere. So I've been really unmotivated to come out. I mean, it's nice and warm out here, but I thought I'd work in the house. I've been stripping wallpaper, and if anyone follows me on Instagram, you'll have seen a bit of that. So really dull. So I'm quite excited to come out here tomorrow and actually do some woodworking. We hit 10,000 subscribers this week. So yeah, that's exciting. And it seems to be the thing to do is do a quick giveaway when you hit 10,000. So I've been a bit lax on it because it's just been such a busy, hectic year that I haven't sorted anything out. But I'm going to, and in the next couple of weeks, there will be a giveaway. So yeah, hopefully it'll be something you want and you can enter and get it. So what else we got? Oh, I was going to show you another one of the books off the shelf. So let's get one down and have a look at it. So what we've got here is the Dorking Kingsley woodworking step-by-step book. I think I asked for this for my birthday a few years ago, and it's just a really good basic reference book. Tools you need, setting them up. And the great thing about Dorking Kingsley books is they just have pictures for absolutely everything. So it has all the joints and step-by-step guides of how to cut each joint, which is very handy. And one other thing I like is the wood identification. If I can find that. Yeah, so pictures of woods showing you the grains and the textures and the colours. Because I'm sure we all pick up wood, from places and think, I have no idea what it is. But with something like this, you can reference it. Yeah, so it's a really handy book. Oh, and it's got some projects. I'd forgotten about these. I quite like that. Those pegs. Maybe I'll try that. Yeah, I haven't got this book off the shelf for quite a long time, obviously. I'm going to sit down and read it again myself now. Anyway, nice book to get into woodworking with. So I'll put a link down below to that. So video out tomorrow about making thin rips on the table saw. This is before I got the microphone, so I'm not too pleased with the audio, but hopefully we've used all those videos now. Anyway, I'll speak to you next week. Cheers.